Alright, this is what shows when I start up the car. These two flashing. The deal is, if I control the passenger side temperature, I can hear the vent doors moving, and it seems like we can get a little cool air on the passenger side. On the driver's side, it's always hot. And I have no control. I don't hear any vent doors or anything closing, depending on if I move it here or here. And we have no AC. It was working fine till this problem started. But now, you know, the AC doesn't kick in or anything. One question I am wondering is if the outside air temperature thing, you know, this thing up here, that was whacked off a while ago and there's nothing there now. I just pulled the sensor out, so I don't know if that has something to do with this. But I'm going to run the sequence and you can see where the system hangs up. It'll sit in its loop indefinitely. It doesn't zero out or end or anything like that. So here we go. Moving through the vents over on the passenger side, you know, and it is blowing. It's moving through them on the driver's side as well. I can feel it moving to defrost in the top, but it's always hot. It doesn't change temperature. Alright, now I think it's at its final sequence here. This is where it hangs up. Gives me this flash, and then it flashes once up there every once in a while. There it goes. And then it's back down here, and it'll keep looping that indefinitely. So the big thing now is AC, and I just don't want to throw a lot of parts at it. So if anyone can help me, I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you.